Alright guys, let's do an unboxing of Nuphy's, one of the new keyboards I think. It's the Nuphy HALO65HE. It's their magnetic keyboard, magnetic switch keyboard. Alright, so overall it actually looks pretty cool. I like it a lot. Take a listen to how it sounds. It's pretty nice. Okay, so these are also some great quality peripherals. Oh, hi, Kiwi. They do a good job with their accessories and stuff, so well done, Nuphy.